All right, so we are exploring some potential InSpec and Habitat integration things. And one of the things we want to do is treat InSpec profiles as Habitat artifacts, much like we treat our applications as Habitat artifacts. So let's see, if we go into the InSpec CLI here, you'll notice that we have a new Habitat section for Habitat and InSpec integration commands. And the first thing we are going to show is profile commands. So the InSpec Habitat profile subcommand structure includes a create and an upload. Create will take a profile on disk or potentially accessible via HTTP or the Git matcher, et cetera. We'll pull it down. It will build a heart, a Habitat artifact, and then drop it on your file system. So then you can upload it, store it wherever you want. If you call the upload command, it will do the same thing, but it'll upload to whatever depot you have set, either the default depot, or if you set a hab depot URL environment variable, it'll send it up there. So let's go ahead and create. I've got a profile here in my home directory and profiles, test1. It's a really simple, dumb little profile. And I will say, let's go ahead and create a Habitat artifact for that. So this first checks to make sure Habitat's installed. It will create a little working directory for us, copy in the profile after checking to make sure it's a valid InSpec profile. It will grab the name of the profile and the version in the inspec.yaml, and it'll use that to build the Habitat package name. So users don't have to set their own. We'll go ahead and set one for them. So it follows a pattern of inspec-profile- whatever the profile name is, and then has a package version. So what you're seeing right now is the normal Hab Studio build interaction. So we're building our package. We'll let this continue here for a moment. So our heart is built, and it's now copied into my current directory. So you see my new heart. If I did an upload, it's the exact same process, except it would shove it up to a depot, and I can share my browser at some point here and show you what that looks like in the depot. But if you search for the Atom Left origin, you'll see a couple of tests that I've done already. So this is phase one. Phase two is going to be another set of commands under the Habitat namespace and InSpec that will create a concept of a runner that will take multiple Habitat profiles, InSpec profiles as hearts, bundle them together as dependencies with InSpec as also a dependency, and then be able to run InSpec in a loop alongside of your existing Habitat applications. So that way you get continuous compliance within Habitat, which will be pretty awesome. So I'm going to be starting to work on that soon as I wrap up adding the test for this. So this should land hopefully in the next release of InSpec, which I expect to be probably early next week.